Whether you're a professional painter or DIYer, accurate painting tools can improve your results on every task. However, you can't go for any new project without a perfect paint scraping tool, as they're the only solution for effective paint removal from your drywall and other hard surfaces. So in today's video, we'll show you the top 7 paint scrapers for drywall that are made of top-class materials and that are very comfortable to use. So without further ado, let's get started looking at these paint scrapers.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Meet the WIU Scraper Tool, a uniquely designed razor blade scraping assistant that comes in a compact size and prioritizes your safety first. This scraper tool is manufactured in the USA and is made of quality materials, letting you productively remove the stickers, adhesives, labels, and many more unwanted objects from hard surfaces. You can use this tool for your wide range of paint or decal removing tasks, as it's specially built for scraping on drywall, glass, ceramic cooktops, and stovetops. Plus, it's packed with 5 stainless steel replacement scraper blades and features the blade guard for absolute safety, while the large control knob lets you use it with enough stability. From reliable safety to dependable durability, this WIU Scraper Tool will meet all your requirements for years to come. Now get yourself introduced to the Deckiana Scraper Tool, a multifunctional solution for all the DIY paint removing tasks of home improvement projects. Made of 3CR13 stainless steel with hardness up to HRC30, the corrosion-resistant blade of this tool has a mirrored polished finish, letting you do easy cleanup and ensuring lifelong durability. Plus, you can use the 13-in-1 scraping tool as a straight scraper, screwdriver, nail puller, Allen wrench, and many more purposes that you can think of. Weighing in at only 133 grams and having a blade thickness of 2 millimeters, it takes a minimal place on your toolbox and can easily be carried in a pocket. This scraper tool comes with a sizable halo-designed rubber handle to give you the comfortable edge for a tight grasp and labor-free operation. To sum things up, this Deckiana scraper tool will replace your multiple hand tools in the toolbox and will get every task effectively done with minimal effort. Next up, here comes the Bahco 665 Carbide Scraper, the most comfortable scraping tool on our list, with exceptional handle design to operate with maximum ease. This scraping tool has a 65mm double-edged straight blade that allows you to remove the paint and rust from your various toughest surfaces. Plus, the blade of this 665 scraper is made out of cemented carbide that stays sharp up to 50 times longer than all the standard scraping blades. Its unique 2-component handle provides optimum comfort and excellent grip, while the large plastic knob makes it easy to handle heavy-duty tasks with less effort. For professionals who prefer the comfort and easy-using facilities first, this Bahco 665 Carbide Scraper will undoubtedly be the ultimate scraping solution for them. Sturdy design, variable size, and high durability, check out the BOKA Tool Spackle Putty Knife Set, the perfect tool set for a DIYer to handle a wide variety of tasks. Packed with 4 individual sized blades, this set allows you to complete all the scraping tasks effectively. Moreover, each of the blades is made of high-quality stainless steel and has soft rubber handles with an ergonomic design, so you can get lifelong durability with a firm hold to work on. In addition to that, these stainless steel spackle knives are way stronger in terms of corrosion resistance, making your tasks more enjoyable for home improvement projects. In short, this BOKA Tool Spackle Putty Knife Set lets you handle a wide array of scraping and applying tasks around your home or construction site while having a worthy price tag. Are you looking for the best professional quality paint scraper? Then look no more, because we have the Bates Paint Scraper, a highly recommended scraping tool by the regular DIY workers and professionals. This tool can be used versatilely as a paint scraper, a screwdriver, a box opener, and so many more things, eliminating the need to keep multiple hand tools in the toolbox. Plus, the straight ground carbon steel blades are highly hardened for maximum durability and flexibility while offering absolute rust resistance. Apart from that, this Bates scraper has a soft grip design that allows you to do long jobs without fatigue, providing the perfect finish of your work surface. So add this Bates scraping tool to your collection to keep you well going with flawless outcomes and labor-free jobs. Get all the heavy-duty applications done with the Titan 11515, the sturdiest drywall paint scraper that competes with the toughest demands of your scraping tasks. This tool is packed with a reversible 4-inch stainless steel blade to scrape all your drywall for a superior finish, while the die-cast metal head provides a secured hold to the blade. With an overall tool length of 12 inches and blade length of 4 inches, this heavy-duty scraper lets you tackle all kinds of scraping tasks easily and makes paint removal effective. Also, this scraping tool features a comfortable grip handle to operate with minimal effort and has a blade storage compartment for the safe storing of the blades. So if you're up to take on some heavy-duty and tough applications for your home improvement projects, then you should invest your money in the Titan 11515 before starting. Last but not least, meet the Red Devil 4251, a 6-in-1 paint scraping tool with the top-notch build quality to withstand most challenging situations while being surprisingly low-priced. This pro-quality painter's tool comes with a high-carbon precision-ground steel blade coated with lacquer to prevent rust for extended longevity. Plus, it can be used to perform 6 different tasks such as gouging, scraping, putty removing, spreading, roller cleaning, and nail set. Moreover, this tool's solid steel nail setting head is brass plated, meaning you can efficiently complete any hammering job with this great multi-purpose paint scraper. Additionally, it features a black nylon handle that is solvent resistant, letting you work with years of dependability and high-end durability. Overall, if you're seeking a topmost quality paint scraper for your next DIY project, then go to the store, purchase this Red Devil 4251, and make your task extremely effective. So that was a list of the top 7 paint scrapers for drywall just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Go ahead and like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.